In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the tiles transition in Clipchamp step by step. If you want to make your videos look smoother, more dynamic, and more professional, adding transitions between your clips is one of the easiest ways to level up your editing. The tiles transition in particular gives your video a clean, modern effect that works great for vlogs, tutorials, presentations, and social media content. I'll walk you through everything from opening your project to adjusting the transition settings so you can customize it exactly how you want. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Clipchamp tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project from the home screen or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you have at least 2 video clips placed next to each other on the timeline. Transitions only work between 2 clips, so if there's a gap between them, drag them together so they snap side by side. Now that your clips are ready on the timeline, look over to the left-hand toolbar. You'll see different options like media, text, elements, and so on. Go ahead and click on Transitions. This will open up the Transitions library where you can browse through all the available transition effects in Clipchamp. Scroll through the list until you find the tiles transition. Once you locate it, click and hold on the tiles transition, then drag it directly to the transition area between your 2 clips on the timeline. As you drag it over, you'll notice a highlighted area appear between the clips. Drop it right there and the transition will automatically be applied. After placing the tiles transition, click on it in the timeline to select it. When it's selected, look to the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you can adjust the transition settings. You'll typically see options such as duration and, depending on updates, possibly direction or style variations. To change the duration, simply drag the edges of the transition in the timeline to make it shorter or longer. A shorter duration will make the tiles effect happen quickly, which feels more energetic and fast-paced. A longer duration will slow the effect down, making it feel smoother and more cinematic. Play around with the timing and preview your video by pressing the play button to see which speed fits your content best. If there are additional customization options available in the right toolbar, such as direction or animation style, adjust them to match the mood of your video. Always preview your changes after adjusting settings so you can see exactly how the transition looks in real time. Once you're happy with how the tiles transition looks, that's it. Your transition is successfully added. You can repeat the same process anywhere else in your timeline where you want to add another tiles transition. Just make sure your clips are aligned together before dragging the effect into place. Using transitions like tiles strategically can make your edits look more polished without overcomplicating your workflow. Just remember not to overuse transitions. Keeping them consistent and clean will make your video look much more professional. And that's how you add the tiles transition in Clipchamp. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Clipchamp editing guides. I'll see you in the next video.